Many people dream of making money online. They want a business that works even while they sleep. All you supposedly need is a laptop and a good Wi-Fi connection. This sounds great, right? Well, dropshipping is one way people try to achieve this. It is a popular online business model. You don't hold any inventory yourself. Instead, when a customer buys something from your online store, you purchase the item from a third-party supplier. That supplier then ships the product directly to the customer. This means you don't have to worry about storage or shipping logistics. The appeal of dropshipping is clear. You can start with relatively low capital. You don't need to buy products in bulk up front. This reduces a lot of the initial financial risk. You can offer a wide variety of products to your customers. You are not limited by your own storage space. You can run your business from almost anywhere in the world. As long as you have internet access, you can manage your store, talk to suppliers, and market your products. It offers a lot of flexibility. However, let's be real here. This is not a magical path to instant riches. Building a successful dropshipping store takes work. It requires effort, dedication, and smart decisions. There will be challenges along the way. You need to find reliable suppliers. You need to market your products effectively. You need to provide good customer service. Many people try dropshipping, but not everyone succeeds. The key is to approach it like a real business, not a hobby or a quick money scheme. This guide is a no BS walkthrough. We will cover the essential steps to build a dropshipping store from scratch. There are no paid courses or upsells here, just clear, simple information to help you get started. We will talk about setting up your store, finding products, marketing, and more. The goal is to give you a solid foundation. If you're willing to put in the effort and learn, you can build something sustainable. So, let's get into the practical steps you need to take. First things first, you need an online store. This is where your customers will browse and buy your products. Shopify is a very popular platform for this. Many successful dropshippers use Shopify. It is designed to be user-friendly, even if you are not a tech wizard. It offers many tools and apps to help you run your business smoothly. You can get started with a free trial. This is a great way to explore the platform before you commit to paying. Just go to the Shopify website and sign up. When you sign up, Shopify will ask you some questions about your business. Don't worry too much about these initial settings. You can always change them later. For the plan, I recommend starting with the basic Shopify plan. It has all the essential features you need when you are just starting out. It is also the most affordable option. There is no need to pay for more expensive plans until your business grows, and you actually need those extra features. Keep your costs low, especially in the beginning. Once your account is set up, you need to choose a theme for your store. The theme controls the look and feel of your website. Shopify offers both free and paid themes. For starting out, a free theme is perfectly fine. I suggest using a clean and simple theme like Refresh. It looks professional and is easy for customers to navigate. You can find Refresh in the Shopify theme store. Select it and publish it to your store. You can customize it later, but for now, just get it live. After choosing your theme, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the Shopify dashboard. This is where you will manage everything. You will add products, process orders, and track your sales. It might seem a bit overwhelming at first, but Shopify has a lot of helpful guides and tutorials. Spend some time clicking around and exploring the different sections. The more comfortable you are with the platform, the easier it will be to run your store effectively. Getting this foundation right is crucial.